This video introduces a TRINITY module connecting virtual model with the physical model. The module describes how robots and other machines can be connected together through an information server. A connection is created between the physical system and the virtual model that can be used for remote monitoring. The presented technology falls into the technical readiness level 6, so it should not be considered as a ready industrial solution. The purpose of this module is to demonstrate the possibilities of new technologies for improving the agility of manufacturing. In this video, we will present requirements for the training, concept and approach of the module, application of the module, benefits of the training, structure of the training series, conclusion and the next steps. It is beneficial if the user has experience with the simulation software, preferably visual components. It's also an advantage to have some experience in programming and the system architecture. Then you can have a better understanding of this system. The module will focus on the industrial Internet of Things part of manufacturing systems and look at how robots can be connected together. It uses the manufacturing simulation software visual components to visualize the data collected from the physical system. The module shows how to connect the physical world with the digital world. From the previous module, the digital environment is created based on the physical world. In this module, all the robots and machines are connected with a microcontroller, for example, Raspberry Pi, and then we considering all machines variables can be accessed by microcontroller, and the microcontroller can upload the values to the server. So the system can synchronize all the information between the robots and the machines with the server. And then the simulation software visual components can pair each of the server variables with the digital twin module. So the movement in the physical world can be reflected in the virtual world. This module can be used to connect the robots and the machines which are from different brands together. This can allow for further automation in a manufacturing environment. It can also be used to collect data on a production system which can be further analyzed for optimization and improvement of the system. Since all robots and machines are connected to the same server, it will be easy to monitor the system. The industry example can be manufacturing production industry or automotive and aerospace industry. In these training lectures, you will learn and have an insight about how to connect robots and other machines together. This is again a crucial part of digitalization and the Industry 4.0. It also showcases how you can monitor the manufacturing environment with a digital twin which created in previous module. There will be 2 other videos in the following training. One video will showcase how robots and other machines can be connected and how to set up the OPC UI server. Another video will showcase how to monitor the system in visual components and how to pair the variables between the digital twin and the OPC UI server. The proposed module enables the robot information server to synchronize the robot variables, then further enables the digital twin to simulate or control the physical model. If you are interested in more tutorials on this module or other use cases, please follow the links in the description. Thank you for watching this TRINITY module introduction video.